Hey, hi, and welcome to my first update for the Go for the Gold planning project that are together with the Pantastic Ladies Collabs. And let's get into it. We have these are just random products you want to use up. It was called Peeping Pan before, I believe it was, but due to the name of it, people misunderstood like that you didn't need to just hit pan. This is my Body Shop hand cream in Honeymania. I have used it a bit, as you can see. As well as I just want to mention this is a rolling product pack, so when you have used something you can like exchange it for something else. See, I've used it a bit. I don't have that much left. If I just use it, then I could use it up. This month I will try it. We have two samples. This Missoni one, it was this one sprays. I think it was this one that, yeah. I need to, I can't use this, the Miss Dior. Yeah. The Missoni one I can use, I will continue to use it. I just wanted to see which one that aren't sprayable. This Dior Blooming Bouquet, the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, smells really good, but as you can see, the spray don't work, so I can't use this. I will put in another perfume instead of it. I have some, so I will just grab one after I'm done. After we have gone through every other product. Then we have the night cream samples. I haven't used them. I'm actually gone away soon, so I might just grab these instead of a night cream. But the thing is, I am someplace bad at using night creams. And then we have the Loverdose Bodylotion. Right now this just fell down. As you can see, it's not that much. As well as you can see that I have changed the bottle of it. That's what I've done. I haven't used it, but the thing is my skin needs something heavier when it is this cold and dry outside. And then we have the aloe vera. I have used some of it. After swatching my arms, and when they get like irritated due to my aloe vera baby wipes, I use some aloe vera to just make it feel great again. As you can see, I've used a bit. If I continue using it just regularly like this, then I might end it during the year, because if this 1 month, then I use might take some months. But let's take a new perfume sample. Let's see where is the oldest one, is the one mostly out, which will turn to be this one, Stella McCartney Pop. I haven't tried this one. I can't smell anything on it. It's unused. This will be fun. I think that's different from the Missoni and the Miss Dior that are more like womanly or like more ladylike. Well, this one seems a bit more playful. But that's it. This was this update. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for following me on this journey. I'm real thankful for all your support, and I hope that you will follow me on this journey as well. I have a lot of other projects that are a bit more fun than this one. Not that this isn't fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.